Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are showing you how we can link a Patreon to our YouTube channel so that fans can support us easily. So let's get started. Go to patreon.com for that, open up your browser and let's head over to patreon.com. And if you're not signed in, you can sign in into your account and do so. Let's get started and log in or sign in. And then once you are signed in or once your account is created, you can just go over and get your Patreon link. So within your Patreon page right here, you can look out for the share option. For that, look out for your home page and look out for the three dot and select it. And select the option of share from here and open it up. After you reach over here, you'll be finding a link available. You can select the option of copy link. And once you copy your link, you can go to YouTube channel banner. So close this up, go to youtube.com. And once you go to youtube.com, you can just go over to your YouTube studio. So look out for your profile in the top and select it. And select the option of YouTube studio and open it up. After you open up your YouTube studio, what you may do is within your dashboard right here on your left hand side, go ahead and look out for the customization section and click on it. And within customization, you'll be finding different options. And including that, we'll be finding option for a URL. So what we can do is we can paste up our URL. You can select this option of add link and paste in your URL here of your Patreon. Type in Patreon here and hit enter. And you'll be finding there's links visible on your channel profile and ad page. You can even add video description. You can go to video and add it within your description as well. And that's it. So that's how we can add Patreon to our YouTube channel. You can go ahead and view it on your YouTube channel from any other page. So you may follow the step for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.